Mina ngizohaya ikondlo. Ngizohaya ikondlo nasi ibhalela imbongi, ngizohaya ikondlo nasi ibhalela imbongikazi, umoya wekondlo. Sitshaba sekhethu, sitshaba sendlu enzima, ngiphakamisa ihlanza, ngiyaloshisa lami likamabizo asabele, ngingu-AK u-Audrey Kozwana ngokuzwana, the queen of embracing culture and diversity with pride. Ngiyimbongi yesiNdebele, ngiyahaya begodu ngitlola nenkondlo. I'm a culture preservationist. What I do, I preserve culture in the field of fashion, in the field of music, in the field of poetry. And what I've picked up, ekubeni umchocholozeli welimi lesiNdebele nesiko lesiNdebele enkundleni zokuthintana, is that iye isiNdebele sisegrupini ye-clan yamaNguni, kodwana ngamazizo wami ngibona ngasuthi isiNdebele is sidelined. Because if we were to pay attention to the opportunities, if we were to pay attention to the activities that are granted a platform, that are granted airtime, it's always the other Nguni claims. We are always sidelined. Is it because IsiNdebele is not yet recognized as South Africa? Is it because IsiNdebele is not yet supported in regions whereby IsiNdebele speaking people are located? Is it because we are sidelined ngoba kunelinye ilimu elizwakala ngasuthi IsiNdebele ngaphakathi kweclan yamaNguni? Ngiyazibuza njenganje ngizama nokuziphendula. Kodwana ngombana ngimntwana omutsha osekundleni yokuthuthukisa IsiNdebele, kodwana ngiyabona bona sikhamba siyatlhayeleka. Here we have numbers on social media. Here we have access to social media. We're able to push passion yethu esinayo on social media. Kodwana lokho kuyokhamba kukhambe kusiphelelise kuphi? Why are we sidelined? Is it because we have gatekeepers emandebeleni? Bobana ama gatekeeper. Do we even have cancel culture IsiNdebele? Because if we did, we would know the reason why we are not granted opportunities is because we were cancelled at some point. Mnengi mbuzo ayipheli nokuphela, kodwana njenganje akhe ngivula ikundla. Whoever was going to get an opportunity to listen to this and to also watch this, leave a comment, usitshele bona amazizo akhathini nofana umbono wakho ujame njani. Siyathokoza.